Hello, my name is Tina Oje and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to spot a potential scammer online. Have you ever been scammed before? I mean, you bought something after making payments, the person blocked you on all the social media platforms, or you ordered for this and something else came. Well, don't worry. I'm going to take you through the processes of some of the little things you should look out for before you buy from an online vendor, because to be honest with you, 95% of my sales have come from online. Okay, ever since I started doing my business, I sell more online than I sell to people around. I bought this ring line from Lagos from an Instagram vendor. I don't know this vendor from anywhere. I think she was advertising and I needed a ring light. I did my homework and I bought this ring light and she delivered it to me. Not just me, my colleagues. When my colleagues saw that, oh, this person is legit, they all ordered from her too, from Lagos. I've bought so many things in the past from online vendors and not for once have I ever been scammed. Okay, you can say, because you have been lucky. Well, I don't think it's because I've been lucky. I think I've just been doing just these little things I'm going to be telling you today. I'm going to advise you to watch this video before you buy anything next time from any online vendor. Stay with me. Welcome back. So without wasting more of your time, let's get right into the business of today. I think the number one thing to spot an online vendor is the price. You know, sometimes we are the problems of ourselves. We know the dollar rate currently, we know how expensive things are, and someone offers you a ridiculously unbelievable price. And you say, I don't jam mugu. And the next thing, you send your money. Look, I think 75 or 80% of the people who got scammed because the prices were too cheap. I'm not saying there are vendors who do not have cheap prices. There are different things that determine the prices of people. Some ship via sea, some ship via air, some have low, manufacturing or buying costs because they do not have shops. Some have physical shop and have stores. So all of these things can influence the prices of vendors. However, when the price difference is too much, there is no two ways about it. The person did not, unless maybe it's a stolen property. When the prices are ridiculously too cheap, please, I don't go even pity you if you get scammed. Two, most of the people who got their Instagram account or their Facebook account hacked got hacked because people sent them a link. Okay, please do not click on any links you cannot verify, even if those links are coming from your loved ones, people you love and you trust so much, and they tell you, please click this link and get airtime. Please click this link if you want this. So be mindful of links, whether they come from people you love or people you trust so much. Probably the accounts have been hacked and someone is using that account to hack other people's accounts. Let's move on to the third way to identify a scammer online. Well, the third way to know a scammer, I don't think any scammer or someone who is not legit or genuine will agree to do a video call with you, because especially when you're buying, like I sell online, and when I get customers who are not in Abuja, what I do is that if they are scared, I'll tell them, okay, call me on a video call. I'm going to carry the product you want to sell. Look, I sell this necklace, I sell bags, I sell necklaces, I sell bags. So what I do is I'll do a video call with you and show you the things you want to buy. This is the necklace you're requesting for. I'll do a live video of that product you want to buy, and also do a video call with you, especially when it is your first time, you haven't trusted me enough. Every legit vendor would agree to do a video call with you. The only thing is that they're going to tell you, okay, I think this time is more convenient, or this other time is more convenient for the video. But a vendor who is not legit, anyone who is out to scam you, would refuse the video call. They'll tell you all the 99.9 reasons why they cannot do a video call with you. They can either tell you, oh, my phone is bad, and my internet service is bad, or they'll give you one reason or the other. Please, whenever they start giving you such reasons, know that maybe I'm about to be scammed. Please watch to the end to know all the different ways to spot a scammer. Another way to spot a potential scammer, another way to spot them online is no human face on the brand. just pictures of products. Like, I know there are people who probably for personal reasons, they are shy or for different reasons would not want to show their faces. Yeah. So it's not 100%, factual, but I think 80% of the time, this person is not genuine or legit. Or you see a page where the only thing you see in those pages are professional still pictures. You don't even see video. Like, if you go to my page now on Tina B Fashion World on Facebook, or Women Plus on Facebook, or on Instagram Women Plus, or Tina B Fashion World, you will see videos of me. Okay, you see pictures of me, you see videos of my products when I'm using them. All of those things are to make people trust your brand more. It's for you to show your face and for people to know that, oh, there's actually a human that is behind this face. And just like I said, it's not 100%. But if you're someone who doesn't like to show your face, I think you should look for a way to solve that, because people want to know that they are buying from an actual human. People want to know the person behind the brand. People want to see a bit of, oh, I went to church today, a bit of, I went to the mosque and I'm rocking this bag from us. This is your CEO. People want to see you rocking the product you get. So that will make people trust you more. So when you see a page where it is just pictures, especially still pictures, especially professional pictures, so they could steal those pictures from other pages. You get, I can steal those pictures from other pages and put on their pages. So someone who is legit would do, even if they don't put their face, on the video, they will even do a video of the product. Not every time still pictures. Okay, so if you look at a page where it is just still pictures, no human face, the person is not showing himself, it's just pictures, please mark that page or mark that vendor red. Okay, prevention is better than cure. Okay, unless maybe the person agrees on pay on delivery, please do not buy from that vendor. So this will take us to the next way to spot a potential scammer online. I talked about pay on delivery. Well, a potential scammer would never accept pay on delivery. I know there are very big vendors who are recognized, who are big and who do not accept pay on deliveries anymore. Especially because pay on delivery also has these disadvantages and consequences on the vendor. I am a vendor, so I understand what I'm saying. There are times where customers will tell you, I want pay on delivery. And on the day of the delivery, you already sent it to delivery guy. The delivery guy will reach them, they'll stop picking their calls because they have not paid for it. So most vendors who are very big will say no pay on delivery. Well, if a vendor does not accept pay on delivery, just what I said, do the other checks. Okay, are there human faces behind the brand? You need to, what are the prices? Are there products or videos of their product and the physical face representing that brand? So do the other homework. I offer pay on delivery within Abuja. Like, if you're in Abuja, if you go to my page, it is boldly written pay on delivery within Abuja. But there's a stage I'm going to get to in my business, no more pay on delivery. Because just like I told you, pay on delivery also comes with its own headache from customers. There are people who are so annoying. After you have sent their product, they'll stop picking your calls. So it also comes, but as a small vendor who is not really known, it's always advisable for you to do a pay on. So even if you're buying from Lagos, you're buying from Owerri, and you're so scared of me for the first time, what I'm going to tell you is that if you have anyone who is staying in Abuja, all you need to do is give the person my number, and the person is going to come pick up and pay and waive bill to you if you're scared of me. So a legit vendor will not be scared of pay on delivery. They will either say pay on delivery or pick up. Okay, come and pick up. So even if that person is not in that location, they can tell you, okay, someone who is in that location can pick up that product for you. So if you see any vendor who refuses pay on delivery at all, and that vendor is a small vendor, they are not recognized, please run for your life. You are about to be scammed. Well, I hope you're finding this video interesting. If you are finding it interesting, I would solicit that one of the ways of supporting me is liking the video, dropping a comment. Have you ever been scammed? These are not all the ways to recognize a potential scammer online. I still have like 3 other ways to recognize them. All you need to do is to stay with me and keep watching. But meanwhile, please hit on the subscribe button, Like, comment, and share your experience with me if you've been scammed before. We'll be right back.